Hey there viewers, welcome to my channel Reading Tarot, and I am doing reading for the sign of Libra for the month of October, and I will do in Celtic cross spread as I do in the start of the month for the general reading, and I will cover up all the matters regarding your love life and money and career, work life, the related matters in this reading because it's a general reading, not a particular reading for particular issue. So I have already shuffled cards. Now I will cut them in three piles. So in your current position, you have strength. What is crossing is the moon card. And in your near future, your recent past, you have star card. Based of the reading, three of swords. Crowning the reading is five of pentacles. And in near future, you have the empress. In your internal forces you have four of pentacles, your external forces you have page of pentacles, and your hopes and wishes are ten of wands, and your outcome is the hermit card. And underneath the deck you have four of swords. So underneath the deck you have a lot of cards. I am taking the world, ten of pentacles. I don't read reversals, so I will take them in upright position, and the king of wands, the fool, four of swords, and you have two aces, ace of swords and eight of wands also. So maybe you are starting something new in your life. Yeah, one chapter in your life is about to end and one is about to start. New chapter is about to start in your life. It is very much beautiful and abundant, bring abundance to you in month of October. In month of October, you are having some new ideas in your mind, in clarity about your relationship, about your partner, and having some new passion about your partner. And you are starting from new something new in your life. Or maybe this King of Wands is your partner, Aries, Sagittarius, and Leo. Maybe you are dealing with fire sign who is going to start something new in their life. They are starting from new, and they are now relaxing and very much happy and relaxed in their life. Or maybe you are starting something new from zero and you are very much relaxed now. So in your current position, let's see what your other cards are saying. In your current position you have the strength card. You are getting strength in your uh, in yourself, within yourself, in the month of October. Something is, you are getting strength, or you are becoming stronger now. Or maybe someone around you is becoming stronger. Maybe it's your partner energy, or maybe it's your energy. You are emerging as a stronger person. But what is crossing at the moon card? You have some kind of confusion, or maybe some hidden things uh, are there, which is making you which is making you confused in this matter. Whatever you are starting, going to start new, new in your life. Maybe your partner, maybe you or your partner is this king of wands is your energy also. You are in a fire energy, or maybe it is your partner, or maybe someone around you. It is going through in this energy because it's a general reading, so it can be resonate to anyone around you, to you, or also. So you have some confusion, maybe something hidden from you, which is becoming a challenge for you this time. So what is base of the reading is the three of swords. So definitely there is a third party situation, or you are going through some kind of heartbreak here, separation or heartbreaks, disappointment. This disappointment is making you confused, but you are now emerging as a stronger person. You are getting stronger to go through with these heartbreaks now. And but some confusion are there because in your mind is a five of pentacles. You are detaching yourself from your partner, maybe not as a in practically, but in your mind you are thinking is that you should practically detach from your partner. You are thinking to leave this person because you are in a third party situation. That's why you are becoming stronger to make a decision to leave that person, or whatever the situation is. Or maybe you are leaving some heartbreaks behind and starting something new with your partner. Everything is everything is going good in your life. Something new, some new cycle are going to start. Or maybe it is the third party situation. Maybe this third party can be anything. It's a work, it can be a work, it can be a family, it can be some other person are interfering in your love life situation, or maybe in any kind of situation. But now you are starting something new in your life. You are or someone you're starting new in your life, in this their life, and now they are separating, going to separate from this third party. No more third party. It's like in your recent future, or in the start of the October or end of September, you have the star card. So in the start of the October, you are going to start healing, or your wish is coming true. Some kind of wish you are having, uh, which is the major wish for you. Is going to fulfill in the month of October, or you are starting. If you are going through some heartbreaks, now you are starting to heal from these heartbreaks, as I said before, and now you are becoming stronger. But some confusion are there. Uh, um, some confusion, hidden agendas are there, which is crossing, which are becoming your challenge in this month. But now you are healing. You are healing. You are start to heal. You have started to heal now, and now in near future you are becoming an empress, or maybe someone is becoming an empress here. You are doing good in your lives. You are doing good, as I said in early. You are starting new things. Two major two aces you are having, ace of swords and ace of wands. So you are having starting something new in your life, some cycle ending. You are starting from the zero and relaxing. Now whatever the heartbreaks and separation kind of situation is now overing in month of October, and now you are starting to heal and becoming stronger. But some confusion are becoming a challenge for you, but now you are emerging as an empress here, or maybe you are getting pregnant in the month of October. But your inner forces, you have four of pentacles. You are uh, holding yourself self back from your partner because of these confusion, and you are now doing on your own things doing on your own. You're holding your emotions from your partner, but your partner is want to offering you something, or maybe it's your surrounding energy that universe is want to give you something uh, uh, beautiful, and you are having a news from someone that they are starting something new in their life. You are having the news. If it's not your energies, if these are not your energies, this is the energy of someone else, because you are getting the news from someone else, or maybe from your partner, that someone is going to start a new cycle in their life, and it is very much beautiful, family, abundance and happiness here. But you are holding your feeling from, or maybe you are not opening up to others this time. You are focusing on yourself, on your strength. As I say, as I'm seeing in the outcome, you are having the Hermit card. So you are going in deep thinking and thoughts and meditations, uh, to overcome or to heal these heartbreaks, whatever you are going through. So you are not paying attention anymore to these heartbreaks or the third party situation and these confusions. You are now emerging as the Empress. You are doing good on your own in your life, and you are not opening up, uh, showing your feelings to your to others, but you are working on yourself. And your hopes and fears is the Ten of Wands. So your fears are that if you will think about these confusions and these heartbreak again, you will be burnized again with a lot of thoughts and a lot of energies. So uh, you are, or maybe it can be your wish that you want more work for yourself, so that you can keep yourself busy in these works, and you will heal from this heartbreak. You will not think about these things, and you will be no, doing your own. Maybe you are starting something new, some new work for yourself. Or maybe it's like, if it is a uh, financial things going on, so you are doing very good in your workplaces, you are becoming strong, and uh, you are leaving behind these illusions, yeah, what others are creating about you. Now you are becoming strong, and whatever situation you are going through, you are healing, and you are overcoming this financial lack in your life now, and you are spending money spending money carefully, and you are having some new job opportunities, or maybe some new money making ideas, or maybe you are starting something new, some new businesses, or you are having a lot of work for this, but you are spending money carefully on this business, or in your uh, daily basis spending. So you are doing wisely and beautifully, greatly in the month of October in work sector and money making processes. So Libra, that was your reading for the month of October. uh, it is more like giving time to yourself more, or maybe someone is getting pregnant, so you are becoming very happy for that person, or you are becoming pregnant, so you are becoming very happy for this, and thinking very deeply in the month of October. So if it's resonates you, please let me confirm in the comments below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.